So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to export as PDF in Freeform. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Freeform app. So after that you can see a board. So let's just open it up. So on here you can see I've added some shapes. It looks something like this. It doesn't really matter. But if you want to share it, so we can do that as well. So if I exit, and you can choose a project through here, and you can click on share right there, or you can enter the project and see the share button at the top of the page as well. So let's use this way, since I think it's a bit more clear what you're going to do, and click on the button that says share. Once you do that, you can see here the option export as PDF. Once you do that, it's going to convert into a PDF file, so it's going to look like any PDF file would, so you can make changes. You can't really do that much with that, as in trying to manipulate objects or adding something new. So it's going to look like a regular PDF file, and you can do that and click on export as PDF, and it's going to be sent to someone as a PDF file, so they can just open it up like they would some image in a PDF file. So if you use that, it's just going to convert. It's going to download this untitled or whatever name you give it to your files, and then you can use that file as PDF, or you can just send it to someone as a PDF file so they can then download that file as PDF. So it really goes through the share button, then export it as such. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Freeform or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.